The award-winning burger from the Burger Bash.
So, Chef Capon, this is the first thing you made on TV. Tell us the story behind it.
Thanks to you,
yeah,
the first time I won the Rachael Burger Bash, I got a call from Jimmy Fallon himself saying, hey, you want to come on the show? And I was like, is this Jimmy? And sure enough, it was Jimmy. And we had a great time. It was me and Tim McGraw, and we recreated the award-winning burger from the Burger Bash, and we had a lot of fun doing so.
And a star was born. So tell the people what you're doing and how to do it.
All right, so we're recreating the award-winning burger. First of all, I want you to notice what I'm doing here, because this is a secret. Don't tell anybody. Only if you're here, you're allowed to share this, all right? But I'm taking a little Dijon mustard, all right?
Yeah.
A little Dijon mustard on the upside of the burger, right? So we got nice salt and pepper.
When you flip that sucker.
Exactly, and it also caramelizes beautifully. So we have a little salt and pepper, chalk short with brisket, great blend. But this Dijon mustard, what we're going to do now is it's cooking.
What percentage do you like if you were shopping at a grocery store?
I'm an 80-20 guy.
I'm an 80-20
girl. 80-20, right?
80-20.
Most importantly, I say it all the time, whether in the kitchen or in your backyard, don't play with your meat, all right? You're going to get yourself into trouble. Flip your burger once. Yes. Only once.
And you want that nice crust, and I love that you're cooking a la plancha on a flat surface.
Why don't you hit me with a couple pieces of cheese?
Yes.
Right? Let that cheese melt over the top. While that is going, we have over here, we have our caramelized and bacon onion jam. All right? Little secret weapon over here.
Oh, so I remember that jam well.
Jam.
I remember well. Jam
oh, jam. So render down your bacon. Get it nice and crispy. Do not remove that bacon fat because that stuff is gold. Take some nice diced Spanish onions, throw them in there. But what you want to do is you really just want to let it cook down, and you end up with this beautiful caramelized onion.
Look at that,
bacon
it's so
jam.
pretty.
The magic of television, I tell you. And then, of course, hit it with some aged Ray balsamic vinegar, right?
Yeah.
Caramelizes, brings out that sweetness, right? If you're going to call it a jam, it's got to be a little bit of sweetness in there.
Oh, it's so good.
I always like some fresh herbs, so just a pinch of fresh thyme.
Yep.
So you want to reduce it down just a little bit, right? Get rid of that balsamic vinegar. We're going to throw it in here. And then we're going to start making our little secret sauce. You ready, Ray? We're going to make a little secret sauce.
I'm ready. Bring it on down the line, bro.
Bring it on down the line. We'll let those burgers cook for another minute. And then we're going to make our secret sauce.
Your buns. That sounds dirty.
Sounds dirty, but I kind of like it.
You're going to end up here, right?
We're going to end up right there, yeah. Secret sauce. Everybody knows the two main ingredients in your secret sauce is what? Ketchup and mayo. Come on, it's no secret.
Sour cream. I like sour cream.
Do you really?
Because it's tangy and a little thicker.
Wow.
I make it ketchup, sour cream, and relish base. And
I might have to try that sometime.
Just saying.
Just saying.
Just saying.
We got a little ketchup, a little mayo. I like a little sweet relish in there as well.
I like a lot of relish.
So we're going to a lot of relish. A little sriracha, right? Everybody loves sriracha. Spice it up a little bit. And a splash of red wine vinegar. I always like a little bit of tang, right?
See, you put tang in it anyway. How'd you use the sour cream?
See, well, now I'm going to go home and have to try that. Whisk it up. All right, we got that over there. Most importantly, when you put sauce on a sandwich, right, even layer across all, right?
I know.
Cover the surface.
I'm not telling
you. Once that cheese is nice and melted,
yum.
We're ready to rock.
Delightful.
Delightful. Okay, we are good there.
And now?
Top it a little with the bacon onion jam. And look at that. Come on.
More.
Perfect condiment.
Every bite should be the same.
Every bite should be the same, right over the top. You want that cheese to be... Yep.
Pickles? Every bite should be the same.
3 or 4 pickles would be perfect. Look at
4.
that. Now, most importantly, while we are assembling these burgers, what are these burgers really doing? What are they really doing? Because I'm about to cut into these things, but what are they really doing?
Hello.
They are resting. They are resting. Because you want to make sure those juices evenly redistribute throughout the meat, so you have a nice, juicy burger. Right, just like a steak.
Just like with a steak.
We want a juicy burger,
Look at that.
not a juicy cutting board.
Get a beauty shot of that.